All right, so today I'll be showing you how to go ahead and replace the hydraulic pedal pump on the hydraulic bed. The parts that you'll be needing, the tools, will be a 4 millimeter Allen wrench and also a Phillips screwdriver. And now we're gonna put the actual table on the sideway. You just wanna, before you put it on the sideway, you just wanna make sure the height of the bed, it's all the way at the highest level. And also the footrest, it's all the way up as well. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open up all these 4 screws to remove the plastic cover from the pedal. All right, now so we have completely taken apart the plastic cover. Now we're gonna move down to the bottom of the bed. We're gonna have 3 screws on the left side and 3 screws on the right side. So we're gonna go ahead and open a total of six screws. Alright, after completing taking off all the 6 screws, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the base, the plastic cover up, so we could have easy access to get to the pedal. Now, what we're gonna use now is the 4 millimeter Allen, and we're gonna be using this 4 millimeter Allen to open up the screws that are located right over here where the pedal goes. So you're gonna have 1 screw on the right hand side and another one located on the left hand side, on the side. So now we're gonna go ahead and loosen it up. After loosening it up one side, we're gonna move to the other. And once it's really loose, we'll be able to take off the pedal. Now, you wanna bring it inside out from the bottom of the actual chair, because you will not be able to take it out from the top because you do not have enough room to get that pedal through it. So you're gonna bring it from the out from the bottom of the bed. And once you take it apart, putting it back, it's just gonna be the simple way of putting it back, which is gonna be, make sure when you're putting it back, this side of it is facing like this. So now, let's just say if this is the new pedal, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in here. One end of it will be sticking out from the cover. And now we're gonna go ahead and put it into these holes right over here. One on the right and one on the left. And when you're putting it back, you just want to make sure not to push it all the way in. The other end of the pedals, it shouldn't be visible. If it's visible, then that means it's too much in. So this see right now, this is not how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like this. So other end of it, it shouldn't be visible. It shouldn't be like this. It should be just like this on both ends. All right, and hopefully this video will be used to answer all the questions that you guys have.